Thanks for clicking on this tutorial. So you want to learn how to download and install mods and maps on Forts? Well, I can help you with that. So first, you open Forts. Once you've opened Forts, you click the Workshop button. Now click the Workshop button in the Subscribe section, which it puts you in by default. Okay, right now you are in the Workshop. In the Workshop, you can discover community creations such as mods and maps. Now you can just click on a mod or map you like and click the subscribe button. After you have subscribed, you will have the mod or map in your subscribed section, where you can then look at them or unsubscribe from them. So you have downloaded and installed the mod or map. Now you want to play them, right? Create a multiplayer lobby and click on the mods button. Then click the player button and it will show all the mods you've downloaded, which you can then select. Now you want to play a map, right? Click on the maps button and then click the player button. There you can see and select all the maps you've downloaded. That is how you download and install mods and maps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, and one more thing. Shout out to SynergyGamingtv. He's a great Forts YouTuber. You should check him out. Okay, bye.